Hello everyone. Today, we'll explore how to use AI templates to create instant designs. Here, you can see 4 options. Let's start with layout and style. With AI, you can design both single rooms and entire spaces. I'll begin by selecting a single room and confirming my choice. Next, you'll see various layout options. If you're satisfied with the layout, simply click on Match the Style and confirm. Now, you'll see different bedroom styles with preset rendered images. Choose your preferred style and click Apply. Instantly, AI generates a stunning 3D design. Moving on to the layout option, I'll select a single room and confirm. On the left side, you'll find different layout options. Pick one and apply it to the room. Here, you can view the layout and make changes if needed. You can reposition furniture as you like. After that, go to the public library and click on Place the model to access different models. If you wish to change the model's color, you can easily do so. Now, let's check out the style option. Here, I'll choose a single room. Unlike the layout option, this one only provides style choices. Select a layout from the left side of the interface and click Apply. This will generate a 3D design, as you can see. Finally, let's explore the ceiling option. I'll select a room and confirm. Then, I'll choose a ceiling template and click Apply. Now, you can see the ceiling design, and you can even edit it. Click on the ceiling editor to make changes like adding extrusions and applying colors. That's it for today's session. See you next time. Bye.